Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.57 from page number 72 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. Dual behavior of matter proposed by de Broglie lead to the discovery of electron microscope, often used for the highly magnified images of biological molecules and other type of material. If the velocity of electron in this microscope is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, calculate de Broglie wavelength associated with this electron, right? So in this question, now the examiner is saying that this dual behavior of matter that is proposed by de Broglie, it leads to the discovery of electron microscope that you can use for highly magnified images of biological molecules and other type of material, right? So in this microscope, if the velocity of electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, you have to find the de Broglie wavelength associated with this electron. That means the wavelength of electron over here, right? So for this, we'll apply de Broglie relation, right? So first of all, we'll write de Broglie relation, that is lambda, that means wavelength, equal to h by mv, right? Now lambda is wavelength over here. This h is Planck's constant and its value is fixed 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. M is mass of an electron and its value is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. V is velocity of electron and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second, right? Now, if you see, the mass of electron is in kg and velocity in meter per second, right? So, to cut the units, what I have to do, I have to convert this joule in terms of kg as well as meter per second, right? So, I know that 1 joule equal to 1 kg meter square second inverse square, right? So I'll simply put the value over here. So it will be 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34. I'll replace joule with this value. So it will be kg meter square second inverse square, right? I'll mention this second over here, right? I'll cancel 1 second with 1 second inverse. So the final unit that I am having of Planck's constant in terms of kg is 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse, right? Now we'll put the values. Lambda equal to h 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse divided by mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Velocity of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. I'll cancel kg with this, 1 meter with 1 meter over here and 1 second inverse with this second inverse, right? Unit I am having meter only. Now lambda equal to 6.626. I'll compile the powers. So I'll mention 10 raised to power minus 34. If you see, this 10 raised to power minus 31 is negative in denominator. When I'll take this value in numerator, it will change its sign. So it will be 10 raised to power 31 into 10 raised to power 6 can be written as 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 9.1 into 1.6. It will be 14.56, right? Unit I am having meter only. Now this 6.626 is smaller than 14.56, right? To make the calculations easy, I'll simply make this 6.626 bigger than 14.56. For this, I'll displace this decimal up to 1 digit from left to right. And if displacement of decimal is from left to right, definitely power will be negative, right? So power will be 10 raised to power minus 1. Now I'll mention the other powers. 10 raised to power minus 34 into, first of all, I'll write all the negative powers. So into 10 raised to power minus 6 into 10 raised to power 31 divided by 14.56 6 unit meter I am having. When you'll divide 66.26 with 14.56, your answer will be 4.55 into. These powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 34 minus 6 plus 31, right? Unit I am having meter. Lambda equal to 4.55 into 10 raised to power minus 1 minus 34 minus 6. It will be 10 raised to power minus 41 plus 31. When you will subtract 31 from 41, it will be 10. So 4.55 into 10 raised to power minus 41 plus 31. It will be 10 raised to power minus 10 over here. I just want to convert this meter into picometer. I know that 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply displace this decimal up to 2 digit, right? So if I'm displacing decimal from left to right, power will be negative. So 455, I can assume 0 over here into, now displacement is from left to right, so power will be negative, and displacement is up to 2 digit, so power will be 10 raised to power minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10 over here. These two powers are in multiplication, so you can add them. You can simply ignore this 0. So lambda equal to 455 into 10 raised to power minus 2 minus 10. Now lambda equal to 455 into 10 raised to power minus 2 minus 10. It will be 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. I know that 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12. Wavelength of this electron will be 455 picometer.